As the Nike Air Max DN moves into its third year on the market, it continues to define its place within Nike's lifestyle footwear lineup. Introduced in 2024, the model was designed to showcase visible air technology and a silhouette focused on daily comfort rather than athletic performance. Over time, the DN has expanded its range and now sits alongside established lifestyle Air Max options as a reliable everyday choice. The upcoming charcoal colorway highlights that direction with a clean and versatile presentation. A mix of dark gray and black covers the upper, creating a muted look that emphasizes the shoe's shape and tooling. The perforated wave pattern adds subtle texture, while black mesh on the tongue and collar supports a sleek profile. The dynamic Air midsole features 4 visible air chambers, offering consistent cushioning for extended wear. Finished with minimal branding, the Air Max DN Charcoal delivers a balanced and wearable update.